Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you can enjoy watching our new videos. Today we shall prepare Oreo cake which can be made easily at home without much effort. Here are the ingredients. Oreo biscuits, 250 grams, 28 biscuits. Eno Original, 5 grams. Milk, 1 cup. Whipping cream, 1 cup. Cadbury chocolate, 1. Sugar syrup, half cup. Let's quickly get into the preparation. Heat the pan for 10 minutes and keep a trivet or a stand to it and close the lid. Here we are using a tawa. You can add salt crystals at the bottom and then place the trivet or stand underneath to prevent the vessel from getting burnt. Let's keep the cake pan ready. You can use any thick vessel with flat bottom for this. Grease it with oil completely. Dust it with wheat flour or maida in order to avoid the cake from sticking to the vessel. You can alternatively use butter paper and grease it with oil if it is available at home. Now break the biscuits into pieces and put it to the mixer and blend well. Add milk to it and blend well. Empty the contents into a bowl and mix it. Add Eno. Add 1 tablespoon milk. Just mix. Do not overdo it. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Set by tapping it. Keep the cake pan onto the trivet and close with a lid. Ensure that you are closing the outer vessel with the lid and not the inner one so that the cake will be cooked from the stream. Cook it in low flame for about 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and check if it is cooked. Use a toothpick and poke it in the cake in various places. If the contents of the cake doesn't stick to the toothpick, it means the cake is cooked. Otherwise, close the lid and check every 10 minutes if it is cooked. It would take 30 to 45 minutes for it to cook. It depends upon the flame of the gas stove. Once it's cooked, switch off the stove and remove the cake pan from the trivet. Allow it to cool. Use a knife to separate the sides of the cake from the cake pan as shown. Now empty the cake to the plate by reversing it. Remove the butter paper. Soft Oreo cake is ready. Now we shall decorate it. Keep it aside for 4 to 5 hours. Do not refrigerate. Let it cool completely. Now let's make sugar syrup. Heat 2 tablespoons of sugar and half cup water. Allow it to boil. Let the sugar dissolve completely. Allow it to cool. Meanwhile, Put 3/4 of whipping cream to the bowl. Blend well with a whisker so that the foam is formed. The consistency of the whipped cream should be like this. Now melt the chocolate using double boil method. Add 1/4 of whipping cream and mix well. Cut the cake into 2 circular equal halves. Do this when the cake gets cool completely, otherwise it would break. Now pour the sugar syrup over 1/2 of the cake evenly. Spread whipped cream like this. Now place the other half of the cake over this. Pour the sugar syrup over this. Coat with melted chocolate. You can decorate it however you like. Oreo cake is ready. Hope you enjoyed all our cake recipes. Please do check the description box under each cake recipes for useful tips. We will get back with other recipes in the upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.